Hi, I'm Charlotte Schreiner of Charlet Associates with RE/MAX Gateway. I am so excited for you to see my newest listing at 13919 Woods Run Court. I'm in Centreville, and don't forget my tacos and tequila party that we're having February the 12th from 1 to 4. So come on in and check it out. One of the amazing features of this home would be this remodeled kitchen. It's open to the family room, it's got new countertops, and no other home in this community has one like it. Thank you for watching the tour. I hope you love this home as much as I do. If you want more information, please visit my website at charletschreiner.com. Thanks.